Hello everyone, it's Nanna Newf, and today we're going to be unboxing Bakugan and Yu-Gi-Oh booster packs from the dollar store. We're going to see what we get. I'm not quite sure about any of this either. The same as Pokemon, just something new to unbox. So, of course, I'm going to put all the cards on my Gaming for Goodness page on Facebook. So come check me out, follow me there. You can make an offer on any of these cards that you want because they're going to be put up for sale. And hopefully people can get their collections done with whatever I've got here. And none of this is sponsored. So we're going to get into it and see what cards we do get. But like I said, I don't know what's valuable for any of these sets or anything. But I do know they're a couple years old, so we'll see what we get. And hopefully you guys will enjoy this. And sorry if I butcher any of these names. I do apologize for any of that. But we do have 3 booster sets from the dollar store, 15 of Yu-Gi-Oh, and 1 booster pack of Bakugan Battle Planet Resurgence. So let's open that guy first, and then we'll open these ones after, and we'll see who we get inside of here. I've watched a couple videos on these guys, but I'm not sure all the specs and all that stuff because, yeah, I'm just starting to get into, like, picking up cards here and there that I find on sale. And let's see. So, like I said, I'll just like opening them and showing them off and then resell them to anybody who wants them, which all proceeds go towards my channel to help continue growing it. And hopefully you guys enjoy this stuff. So it's a beautiful little booster pack like this. So we're going to open up and see what we get in here. So if you guys know anything more about these battle cards, you can let me know. Ugh, I can get it open. Okay, this does not want to open. Oh my god. Well, this guy does not want to get opened. Holy jeez. Okay. So, just gotta be careful when I... Oh, okay, they do have a little notch here. Let's see if I can get there. Got a little notch. So let's open these up like this. Come on. Come on. Oops. Good lord. I don't want to bend any of the cards or nick them or anything if there's anything good in here. But, holy mac. These ones do not want to come open. Holy cow. Okay, let's put this guy in here. There. There we go. Like I said, I don't know anything about these or anything, so we're going to see what we get. Alright, so we got a Blaze card, which looks just normal. A Blaze. Claw Cutler. It's an action card. Thunderbolt. Ooh, he's kind of cute. Let's see. Divine Inspiration. He looks like a mean dude. Da, 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 da. Energy Draw. Not sure what that's about, but it looks fun. And then we have Heo's Blessing. Okay, so that card. Then we have Lost at Sea. Lost at Sea. And then we have Ventus Mirage. Ventus Mirage. Nothing special about that one, I don't think. Oh, Divine Intervention. Let's get a little bit of chromey stuff to it. I'm not sure. Ta-da! Like I said, I'll have to check these online to see what they're worth for you guys. And then we have a dark path, which is got that kind of glowy look to it. So we'll put these in little holders. Put these in the little holders. So these will be up on my Facebook page. As soon as get this guy in here, because I don't really know what these are. Like I said, I'm not too sure about these cards, but this one's got that pretty little flashy stuff to it. Same with this one. I think the other ones are normal playing cards, but we'll sleeve them up after. We'll sleeve these guys up after. Alright. There, so the two that's got chromey stuff on them. Put them in here. Just so that they're already sleeved. Like I said, these guys, I'll sleeve them up, but I'm not sure what they are, so we'll sleeve those bad boys up after, and like I said, check out my Facebook page, make me an offer, and we're good to go. Okay, and that is Bakugan Resurgence. So that's those ones. All right. So let's move on to our Yu-Gi-Ohs. I don't know anything about these either, so let me know in the comments below what you think, or what, if anything, or what's what. And if I find anything that looks like it's sparkly or whatever, check it all out. Go on my Facebook page, Gaming for Goodness, and check out the different stuff I got on there for sale. Now, let's see. Do I have to turn these around? Okay, so they come like that. Okay, ready, guys? Here we go. We have Submarine Tour Ride, Battle Survivor, Infernity Doom Arc Find, Rock Band Xeno Guitar. Oh, that's kind of cool. If you like playing guitar. 1 or 8. Oh, these guys are upside down. Okay. Magaki Battle. Ghost Trick Festival. Then we have Lilith, Lady of Lament. Rika, Queen Strina. Soldier, Gaia, the Fierce Knight. Bakugan Regalia, the Mirror. I'm butchering these names. Black Luster Soldier, Sacred Soldier. UAB Liberal Spiker. Dream Mirror Recap. Trap card. And we have a spell card, Tri-Brigade Rendezvous. Okay, so I'm not sure about any of those. But some of them, the names are, they got the little chrome on the name, so maybe that's an indication of they might be higher up cards. That would be these 3 here. These ones don't really have any other markings like those ones. These might just be normal normal cards. So I'll put those ones aside. These have the gold writing on them, so I'll find out. Alright, next pack. Let's see what's in these ones. Alright, so let's just flip the first one over. There we go. Okay, so we have this one. Dinomorphia Diplos. Okay. Dogmaticism. It's a cute card. Psychic Shockwave. Bellcat Fighter. Dogmaticism. Is that the same one I just had? Oh, we got a double on that one. So we got 2 of those. Okay, and then we have a Rebuilder. Infernity Paranoia. Runic Allure. It's a spell card and it's got that chromey kind of name, so we'll put him up here with that. Then we have Melfi Pony. Oh, she's cute. Look at that. Wing Pegasus at Ignister. And then we got Goki Pole. Oh, he's cute. They look like little. Okay, he's got the chrome in his name, so I'll just put him up there. Cosmo Channeling. He's got the chromey name too, so he'll go up here. Ajoma Pink. Look at the eyeballs on that. Oh my god. And then we have our last 2. Branded and Central Dogmatica. Wow. All you Yu-Gi-Oh fans out there, I hope you know what these cards are. Arcfine Staff of Despair. Oh. Could always use one of those. So that's that set. So like I said, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put these all in sleeves and in a page so that we can, I'll just sell them all off as a lot. And somebody can enjoy these Yu-Gi-Oh cards because I have no idea how to play this. So, but it's something fun to unbox, and I enjoy unboxing cards. So if you want me to unbox anything for you, let me know. Send me some stuff. If not, if there's anything else you'd like to see me unbox, then let me know. Leaf Place Plas. Oh, that's a cute. Look at these little fat fish. Okay, he's normal. Insector Sword. Zectalibur. He's got the chrome namey up there. So I don't, like I said, I don't know the chrome names make a difference, but Parametalof's Melcaster. Who comes up with these names? Oh my goodness. Okay, and if I knew how to tell if these were rare or anything. Okay, Link Burst. Another spell card. Link Burst. First edition. Okay, this says first edition. Okay, Blizzard. First edition. Does that make a difference? Well, we'll find out. Blizzard. And then we got Starry Night Orbitable. First edition. Okay. Master Diploman. I think we got him already. Okay, so that's that guy. Then we got, oh, another chromey name up there. First edition. Cosmic Cyclone. Spell card. Melfi Caddy. first edition. Okay, he's a normal, I guess. Gizar at Ignister. They all say first edition, so okay. So we got that. Then we got Enzertor Hornet, the chrome name. So that's gonna put there. Masked Hero Blast, first edition. Crystal Beacon. Yeah, this doesn't say first edition like the other ones do. Okay, so some of them say first edition and some of them don't. See, this one says first edition here. 2020. Penguin Brave. Oh, it's a normal one. First edition. And this is a first edition. Stairway to Fable Realm. And that's a normal card. Okay, so all these are normal cards. I guess I'm going to divide them up into first editions and what's not first editions. I think a lot of these are first editions, though. First edition, first edition. First edition, first edition. First edition, first edition. First edition. Are these all first editions? First editions, first edition, first edition, first edition. This one isn't, though. This one is a 1996 card. Okay. This is first edition. First edition, first edition, first edition. First edition, first edition. First edition, first edition. Okay, these are all 2020 cards. So we'll put them in a book and sell them off. And we'll be able to pick up more to see what else we get. So hopefully one of you Yu-Gi-Oh people out there won't mind having a base set. Let's see, are these ones all first edition too? First edition, 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 first edition. Oh, what's this one? First edition. This one is 1996. 96? Yeah, this is 1996. And this is a 1996. Okay, these two are 1996. This one's got the chrome. So, alright. So, there you go. So, anybody want to let me know what these are and all that good stuff? And we will get some more. When these sell, we'll be able to pick up some more and do some more openings. So, that was fun. So, like I said, let me know if you know anything about these Bulgari cards and the Yu-Gi-Oh! And we'll take it from there. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can spread awareness. Love you all. Okay, bye.